side. First things first, we're gonna push these things out to make it match the blueprint line. We're just going to align those parts just a little bit over on the top side. Cool, now we have the perfect backside. Now it's time to make the trunk. Okay, we're gonna start from the top yet again. I'm gonna take that word. Starting from that word, we're gonna just get one more edge loop just for the trunk line right over from the top side. We're gonna take that vertex. We're gonna start from there. Take that, then all the way to the end. Alt Shift, click on that. We turn on the screencast keys. My apologies. Now we're Shift D, right click. We're gonna place it right there. Then GX and move it inside. P, then selection to make it a separate object. We're gonna name this trunk. And we're gonna get rid of that edge. We don't need that anymore. We have some leftovers. This is not a big deal. Just dissolve the edges. I'll go to the edge select mode. Just dissolve the edges. Now we're gonna clean it up a bit. Control X. We need those three for the crevice. We're gonna E for extrude. Just EX that. Turn on the sub D. Then GY to push it up. GZ and just maintain it to the top. Just align it as close as possible. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect at the moment. Just double G Alt, place it there, or just simply GZ that. GY and push it inside. On the back side, it's a whole different story. Just push it just a little bit down and it's perfect. We don't have to change anything else anymore. Let's have 4 edge loops. Then just push them outside GY. Let's deselect those with Control Alt. That looks perfect. We have to push them up. I think we have to push them up. Make that active element SC, push them up. Let's go with that. It's not possible. Let's get all four of those and just simply push them up with just AS. Just simply use GZ. Then we're gonna deselect the parts that are already on the boundary. That seems about nice. Let's A, then Shift N to recalculate the normals. I mean, we're gonna get the outside line, then just extrude it, then make that the active element, then SC, and push it down, then SY, and push it outside. Everything seems cool at this point. Now we have to push it inside. SX, cool. Shift N. Now we have to make that arch that we can see. That arch, we have to make that arch. It's relatively very easy. Let's see, push it down like that. Make that the active element in SX and push it. Then SC, push it down. Get one more edge loops in the middle. Then double G, then Alt, and push it inside. Same over there. Double G Alt. Double G Alt. Let's do it from the back. It's SC and push it downside. SX and move it just about to the corner side. Let's see that. The right side is not looking good. So it's going outside, the lower side is going outside. So we're gonna get two edge loops down in the middle side. Then Alt S and push them inside. Click on there, the control makes that the active element, the left one, then SY, SY and pull it outside. And take that the active element and pull it outside. Same thing, we're gonna do it over there. Just we're gonna push it, we're gonna place it on the boundary just with simple GUI. No, it's not going to work. We're gonna push that one down. Then we're gonna get one more edge loops to support it, and SC and pull it inside. After that, the curve is not smooth at all. So it's time to take care of that. Let's give each of them a space. Shade smooth subdivision. Now we have to amplify the corners and the edges. Now we're gonna support that edge. We don't have to do anything about the curve for now. We're gonna get that on later on.